Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create custom overlay as you like in CapCut PC. So first, you have to add the black screen to the track, and for the elements you can add the image you have to overlay, or you can add text for overlay. You can add a sticker for overlay. So for instance, um, I'm just going to add the sticker for overlay. So just tap on sticker you like. Just for the duration. And I'm just going to merge it. So after that, you are just going to export. Click export. And then delete the project. And I'm going to add to my project. For example, add the image or a video you like to edit and import that's created. So import and make it as overlay. Put on top the another clip and then merge it, and you can blend. Just go to model plane, select overlay, or select another mode you like here. So here we go, this is the final result you'll have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.